Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Maniac. So today I'm gonna tell you how to use your smartphone's camera as a webcam for your laptop or desktop. So before moving ahead, I'm gonna tell you that this video is recorded in that camera only. So it works. So now let's begin. So first of all, just open your Play Store and there type DroidCam, and now after typing that, just search it and install this app. It will take some time, and now open it. So after opening it, just click on next and then got it, and then allow the permissions. So after this you'll see Wi-Fi IP. Now after this, just go to your Chrome and type DroidCam Client, and then just click on this first link and just click on this DroidCam Client and download it. I already have downloaded, so I'll not download it again, but you just download it and then go to the folder where you have downloaded that, and just click on it to open. Now click on next, and now on I agree, and now next, and now install. Now click on finish. Now cancel this and just go to your search bar and type DroidCam app. Open this app. Now in this device IP, just type the Wi-Fi IP which you can see in the phone app. So mine is 192.16, and click on, just enable audio also and click on start. Now you can see this is my phone and this is my laptop, so it's working fine, I guess. See, so now you can see me. If you enjoyed my video and learned something new, then just like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you.